Ready to turn your love for Lululemon into a lucrative side hustle? Then let's dive into how to become a Lululemon affiliate. First, the bad news: Lululemon doesn't have a public affiliate program. Instead, they partner with Impact.com, a third-party affiliate network. Head over to Impact.com, the links in the description, and create an account. Fill out all the required information. Be honest and thorough. This is your first impression. Once signed up, navigate to the marketplace section. Use the search bar to find Lululemon. You can also search for similar brands to broaden your options. Click on the Lululemon listing here. You'll find details on commission rates, cookie duration, and program terms. Review everything carefully to see if it aligns with your goals. Now, hit that apply button. This is crucial in your application. Clearly explain why you're a good fit. Highlight your audience demographics, content strategy, and how you plan to promote Lululemon. Be specific. Talk about your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Mention content ideas like product reviews, style guides, or workout routines featuring Lululemon gear. Think quality over quantity. A well-crafted application significantly increases your chances of approval. After submitting, allow a few days for review. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Impact.com. Once approved, you'll gain access to Lululemon affiliate links. Use these links in your content. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship to maintain transparency with your audience. That's it. You're now on your way to earning commissions by promoting Lululemon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips.